A very good morning, my dear friends. I am Vishal Thakre, your Sanskrit teacher. Today we are learn more about Standard 6, Semester 1, Chapter number 3, Lekhanam. So, all of you ready? So, do you know what is a Lekhanam? Lekhanam means writing. So, today we are discuss how to write Sanskrit language. So, do you know Sanskrit language is a very old language. Our holy books, Ramayana, Mahabharata, Bhagavad Gita, all are written by the Sanskrit language. So, Sanskrit language is also very important of other language because of all language are made by Sanskrit language. So we call Sanskrit language is mother of all language. So all of you ready to see the history of our Sanskrit language and how to write our Sanskrit language? So all of you ready? So let's start. We discuss today how to write Sanskrit language. Okay, and which lipi we use to write the Sanskrit language. So now let's start.
Okay, my dear friends, so now let's start. Chapter number 3, Lekhanam. So, what is a Lekhanam? Lekhanam means writing. So, how to write Sanskrit script? Script means lipi. It means how to write Sanskrit lipi. So, we discuss it in next topic. So, now let's start the chapter. So, Sanskrit language is written in Devanagari script. So, script means लिपि. तो हमारी जो संस्कृत लैंग्वेज है वह देवनागरी लिपि में लिखी गई है. ओके. द स्क्रिप्ट ऑफ आवर मदर टंग हिंदी एंड गुजराती इज डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम द स्क्रिप्ट ऑफ देवनागरी. जो हमारी मदर टंग है हिंदी और गुजराती वह भी देवनागरी में से ही उत्पन्न हुई है. तो ऐसा हम कह सकते हैं कि संस्कृत लैंग्वेज इज अ मदर ऑफ आवर मदर टंग. ओके. Except Shirorekha, some alphabets are written as they are written in देवनागरी. शिरोरेखा के अलावा कुछ वर्ण वैसे ही लिखे जाते हैं जैसे देवनागरी में लिखे जाते हैं. चलो हम अब देखते हैं शिरोरेखा क्या होती है. तो शिरोरेखा मीन्स in this line we call शिरोरेखा. Okay. Is called one type of cap of alphabets. ओके. यह एक कैप की तरह काम करता है, टोपी की तरह काम करता है हर एक वर्ण में. ओके. तो यहाँ पे हमने बात की कि हिंदी और गुजराती. तो हिंदी में तो चलो ठीक है शिरोरेखा होती है, लेकिन गुजराती में तो नहीं होती है शिरोरेखा. तो सर जरा बताइए कि आप कहोगे कि सर बताइए कि गुजराती लैंग्वेज में तो शिरोरेखा नहीं होती है, तो वो देवनागरी लिपि कैसे हुई? तो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, सो नाउ लेट्स सी. मैं आपको बताता हूँ कि गुजराती लैंग्वेज भले ही उसमें शिरोरेखा ना हो, बट उसमें जो बाकी वर्ण होते हैं जैसे कि चलो यही पकड़ लो घ. ओके. तो यह घ है, तो इसे हम गुजराती में लिखेंगे इस तरह घ लिखेंगे. ओके. इस पे शिरोरेखा नहीं है, लेकिन इसका जो वर्ण है घ, ये जो अल्फ़ाबेट है, ओके, यह हिंदी में भी सेम ही लिखा जाएगा, संस्कृत में भी सेम ही लिखा जाएगा. ओके. इसको हम गुजराती में भी घ ही बोलेंगे, हिंदी में ही घ ही बोलेंगे और संस्कृत में भी घ ही बोलेंगे. ओके. तो ऐसे कुछ वर्णों की वजह से हमें पता चला कि गुजराती लैंग्वेज भी यह एक देवनागरी लिपि से ही आई हुई है. ओके. अंडरस्टैंड? ओके. सो नेक्स्ट. So their recognition introduction is easy. Okay, so curves of some letters are different, so let's understand them. So जैसे कि शिरो रेखा हुई, हम कोई भी देवनागरी लिपि को कैसे पहचान सकते हैं? तो उसके लिए फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम देखेंगे शिरो रेखा है, यस है, ओके। तो इसका जो वर्ण है वह मैच हो रहा है, ओके, ठीक है। गुजराती में भी घ है, ओके। हिंदी में भी घ ही है, ओके। संस्कृत में भी घ, ओके, ठीक है। शिरो रेखा मैच हो रही है, ओके, तो ये देवनागरी लिपि है, ओके, डन। ये ध शिरो रेखा है, यस है, ध हिंदी में भी ध, गुजराती में भी ध, ओके, ठीक है। मैच हो रहा है सब, ये देवनागरी लिपि है, डन। इस तरह हम शिरो रेखा की मदद से, ओके, और वर्णों की मदद से हम इजीली फाइंड कर सकते हैं कि यस दिस इज अ देवनागरी लिपि, ओके। और हमारी जो शिरो रेखा है वो हमें वन टाइप से हेल्प करती है, ओके, टू फाइंड द संस्कृत लैंग्वेज और देवनागरी लैंग्वेज. Curves of some letters are different, so let's understand them. So different types of letters, different types of curve, okay. So different curves through made different letters. तो यहाँ पे देखो घ, तो इसका कर्व यहाँ पे थोड़ा छोटा है, यहाँ पे थोड़ा बड़ा हो गया है, ओके, इस तरह घ बना है। तो वैसे ही सब लेटर्स बने हुए हैं, तो हम वन बाय वन सबको देखते हैं और समझने का प्रयत्न करते हैं, ओके। There are different types of varnas, so we see it's one by one. The all varnas, Shiro Rekha is a common Rekha. Okay, Shiro line is a common line. So first varna is a Gha. In English we write it's Gha, Gha. Next Dha. In English it's we write Dha, Dha. Gha and Dha is a nearby same. Only different is its Shiro Rekha is half and half Shiro Rekha is joined to the this side. So he made Dha and we call it Dha, Dha. Okay. Next Cha. It's in English we write it CHH, Cha. Cha and Dha is nearby same. Dha face is in this side and Cha is in upside. And only different is one, the Cha is hang to the Shiro Rekha. So we call it Cha and we call this friend name is Dha. Okay, so we write the Cha in English CHHA, Cha. Next we see La. In English we write it LA, La. La and Cha is nearby similar. Cha is hang to the upper side Shiro Rekha. Okay, but there this point is joined. Okay, but La is this type is same like a Cha, but its face is downside and Cha's face is upside. So only this different of Cha and La. And La we write in English LA, La. Next Cha. In English we write it CHA, Cha. Next Ja. In English we write it JA, Ja. Cha and Ja is nearby similar. Nearby similar. So Cha's face is in this side. Okay. Cha's face is in this side, right side, and Ja's face is left side. Okay, so only this different of ch and j, and j is written in English j a j. Next, nya. In English we write it I n y a, nya. J and nya is same, only different is j is written this type and nya is written by this type. Only join this part, so he is made a nya, and we call it nya. In English we write it I n y a, nya. Okay, I is silent, we call it nya. Next we see gear. In English we write it g y a, gear. In gear is same like a j, same like a j. We write j in this type, right? So only one line we draw, so he is made near. Okay, Shirorekha is common, so j is nearby, similar. So near we write it g y a, gear. Next, t. In English we write it t a, t. Next, th. In English we write it t h a, th. Okay, so t and th is similar, nearby, similar. T we write this type. Okay, so it is common. And th, only we join this part. Okay, so t is made a th. Okay, so this is a th. So we write it English, write in English t h a, th. Next we see the dh. T, t, th, dh is like a similar. Okay, only this part is joined. Okay, this part is different, so it's called dh. In English we write it dha, dh. Next we see the. Okay, in English we write it da, the. And the is same like a dh. The is we write this type, and the is we write this is dh, and only one line we draw, so he is convert to the. Okay, so in English we write it da, the. Next, p. In English we write it pa, paw. Next, sh. In English we write it sha, sh. Pa and sh is nearby, similar. Pa right with pa is right we in this type. Okay, only one line is we draw, so it made a ch. Okay, so in English we write it sha, sh. Next we see f. In English we write it pha, f, and also we write it fa, f. Okay, two types to be write in English, pha, f, and fa, f. Okay, so pa and fa is like a similar. Pa we write in this type, so fa is only second side, one curve which we draw, so he is made a fa. In English we write it pha or fa. Next we see na. In English we write it na, na. Next we see va. In English we write it va, va. Next ba. In English we write it ba b. B and Y is nearby similar. Only Y is write we this type and B is made only one line we draw, so made a B. Next K. Next K. K and Y is nearby similar. Y we write this type only one curve other side, so he is made a K. Okay. Next Ksha. In English we write it KSHA. Ksha. Next R. In English we write it RA. R. Next we see Sa. In English we write it SA. Sa. Ra and Sa is nearby the same. Ra we write in this type and only we we join the one line of the straight line in this straight line, and this is the one line we draw, so he is made a so. In English we write it SA. So. Next Sh. In English we write it SHA. Sh. Next Kh. In English we write it KHA. Kh. Next Ya. In English we write it YA. Ya. Next Th. In English we write it THA. Th. Ya and Th is nearby same. Here we write this type. Only we join this part, so we made the Th. So we call it Th. In English we write it THA. Th. Next, see, this is a Ma. In English we write it MA. Ma. Next we see Bha. In English we write it BHA. Bha. Ma and Bha is nearby same. Ma we write this type. Okay. And Bha we made, so only this part is we join, so made a Bha. And we write Bha in English BHA. Bha. Next Da. In English we write it DA. Da. Next we see Dna. Dna. Okay, this is not a full da. This is a half da. Okay, we pronounce the da. So last O is coming. Okay, so in this da is a half da, not a like a same. No doubt this is a similar, right? But there is a one point. See, we able to see this point. So this point is a sign of this da is a half da. Okay, so we call it dna. Okay. Next we see jha. In English we write it JHA. Jha. Next we see ha. In English we write it HA. Ha. Jha and ha is nearby similar. Next ta. In English we write it TA. Ta. Next N. In English we write it NA. Na and ta is nearby same. Ta is we write this type and na is join this part, so he is made a na. In English we write it NA. No. Next Ga. In English we write it GA. Ga. Next Tra. In English we write it TRA. Tra. Next O. In English we write it A. Next A. In English we write it double A. A and I is like same, only this line difference. one extra line difference. Next E. In English we write it I. Next E. This is a only E and this is a E. Okay. So in English we write it double E. Next U. In English we write it U. Next U. So in English we write it double O. This U is a simple U, so we write it U, and this is a sound is this U is sound is more U. Okay, so we write it double O. Next A. In English we write it E. Next A. In English we write AI. This A is a silent A, and this A is a sound is more. Next Ru. In English we write it RI and RU. So now here our chapter number 3 Lekhanam is completed. So all of you meet next chapter next day. All of you understand this chapter. So please like, share other people's also, and subscribe your only one channel Study with Us. Thank you. Have a good day.